Well, napanood nyo na ba o narinig o nabasa yung most recent statement ni Bato de la Rosa? He in fact was daring the government to have him arrested, no? If the ICC will issue a warrant of arrest against him. No? Sinabi niya na go ahead, have him arrested, do the same mistake or another mistake as what the government did, no, against the former president. So parang lumalabas o pinapalabas niya, no, na yung pagkakaaresto kay Digong Duterte ay mali. Okay? At hinahamon niya, no, yung gobyerno na go ahead, commit another mistake. Okay? Well, Senator Bato de la Rosa, ito lang naman ang masasabi natin dyan. Okay? Ang PNP actually, o Interpol, no? Kasi yan naman ang mag-a-act, no, sa arrest na ipapalabas ng ICC. For sure, no, kapag nagkaroon na ng warrant of arrest, no doubt, okay, your wish is going to be granted. Okay? Tandaan mo, no, na kung si Digong nga, at the time of his arrest, he was powerful, he was so influential, at ilang mga lawyers, no, ang nakapalibot sa kanya, and yet he was arrested, no, successfully by the power of the warrant of arrest of ICC issued against him na pinadaan dyan sa Interpol. Okay? Kaya kapag dumating na yan at naging positibo na yung arrest warrant against you, yung wish mo, no, siguradong matutupad yan. Yun lang.